In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks to Clover. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your point of sale data can flow smoothly into your accounting without extra hassle. First, make sure you're in your QuickBooks account and on a main dashboard page so you can access the universal search. At the top, find the search bar. In that search bar, type My Integrations. Then select it from the results. This is where QuickBooks helps you manage and discover apps that connect to your company file. Inside My Integrations, open the Find Integrations tab. This section is designed for browsing and searching apps that work with QuickBooks, making it easy to locate the right integration. Now, use the search field to look up Clover and click on it when it appears. This takes you to the Clover app page within QuickBooks, where you can review details about the integration, including how your sales, taxes, and payouts will sync. If you manage multiple locations or devices, take a moment to confirm compatibility with your setup. When you're ready, click Get App Now in the top right. This starts the connection process. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include signing in to both your QuickBooks and Clover accounts, granting permissions, and confirming sync preferences. Make sure you have the correct company file open and the proper permissions to authorize the connection. Once completed, you'll typically see a confirmation message that the integration is active. Keep in mind that your first data sync may take a little time, especially if there's a large amount of data. That's all there is to it. By going to My Integrations, finding Clover, and following the setup prompts, you can seamlessly connect your point of sale with your accounting system. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another QuickBooks tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.